Yo, what's up, guys? Today I am here filming. So, yeah, what's up? I don't feel the best, so my stomach hurts a little bit. My head is not feeling that good. But as you saw in the thumbnail, Game Jam, because I promised you guys I would do that a couple days ago. So, I have the Game Jam theme generator up here, and I've scratched, so let me pull that up. Here we go. Okay. Now, let's generate a theme. I might do some other ones, like title or something like that. That would be fun. Anyways, let's generate one. Borders. Okay, let's make a fun game using borders, I guess. So then, like, you have a limited space to do something. Sure, let's do that. And here we are on my account, Alfalfa36. This is my games I've made. So, yeah, I've made a bunch of games, actually. I've actually made a bunch of game jams. I just haven't uploaded them or anything. So, yeah, this will be Game Jam 2024 live. Okay. So, a good character. You guys can help me with characters and stuff. If you guys want to design, let's do that. But yeah, okay, let's do this. So, a good character in Scratch, let's do like a fun little guy for borders. So, let's start with a little square guy. And then, like, eyes, I guess. Here. Boop. And white. There we go. Copy and paste that. And then another square that's going to be black. And there we go. Anyways, guys, rate my hair. Does that look good? I hope it does, because I love my hair. I just recently got dyed. Like, yesterday I dyed it. Like, right after the Oscars. So, yeah. Anyways, here it is. And let's just add a little smiley face, because why not? Smiley faces are awesome. And there we go. I just did a live stream like 5 minutes ago about Five Nights at Freddy's. I got scared so bad. I didn't even get jump scared. I just was scared. So I stopped that stream. I'm going to get some of my friends to join. So, yeah. Anyways, I want this game to be like a unique one. So I want like some funny controls, some good controls. Let's do that. See what we can do with that. So we'll start here. So let's just change the size down to like 65. Yeah, that'll work. I don't see why not. So we have borders to do. How about we just make it like really simple, like make it so you can't go in these places and you have to unlock areas. That's my plan. Okay. It's going to be kind of like Monkey Mart if you guys have ever played that. I think that's a good idea. So how about he starts here, 0, 0, and he just moves around. So sad forever. On keys. Let's design a good backdrop, though. I want a good backdrop, right? So let's just make it full green. And then just like we can change it later. So yeah. I want to make it a little bit of a gradient. So then swap. Oh frick, no. No! Great, that sucks. Oh my god. It's alright, it's not that big of a deal. Let's change it and just make it that green again. I love that green though, so that's kind of funny. There you go. Okay, here we are on the backdrop. Change this to like 45. A little small, but it's alright. Now let's make it so that if certain keys are pressed, it'll move around. On key. But first, before we do that, I want to make it so that there's like a title card. So backdrop 1. This will be backdrop 2. Will be like a light teal color. This will be, we need a form of currency. So how about like a jam? Since it's a game jam, let's go with the jam, I guess. So jam expansion. Jam expansion. Let's name it that. That's a good way. Okay, let's do this. Big title. Flip it like this. Jam expansion. And the same thing. Move it that way. Okay, let's make a little coin with some jam on it. Make this, tilt it. Boop. And then, like, let's make it a traditional jam thing. So a little light for the filling, and then a cross, like a picnic pattern. Light. There we go. Sure, let's just go with that for now. And then let's just go with the white. Making some little ruffle. Yeah, sure, that looks fine. And then let's make this white as well. There we go. And then we'll have this little, oh, wait, no, we don't want a circle. Let's make this thick, though. Zoom out. And let's do this. There we go. Okay, now let's move this backwards until it's fully behind. There we go. Now let's just adjust this. There we go. And then we'll just fill it up with some jam. 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 And then to give it like a good fill. Jam. There we go. That's a good thing. I think that looks good. We have the jam expansion. XL Studios. Let's give it the marker. Marker. And let's put it at the bottom. Like I like to do. But this time we'll give it a gradient of that. There we go. Okay, now let's make a little start button. There we go. Give it a circle. Gradient of this being red and this being a purple. Now let's make it a thick gradient. But I really want this gradient actually to be perfect. Let's do that and boom, there we go. Start button. There we go. And now we have this little button that we have. Let's use this. And this will be start button. Good. There we go. Good job. 0. 0. No, we want it right there. And let's just group this. And then let's like make some little like radiation, I think. Would be a good way to say it. Good job. There we go. Okay. So on start, we'll start with background 1 and background 2. And then when this is clicked, it will hide. But make sure it starts on here. There we go. Good job. Okay, now we will also make it so it sends a message out to us called Start Game. Good job. And then we're not going to use gravity in this because we don't want to. So when it receives Start Game, show. And let's set the ghost effect to 100. So then it will fade in. That's what I like to do. So set ghost effect. to 100. Okay, now that we have this, what we're gonna do is we'll just make a loop for it. So on start, it will repeat 10. Then it will change ghost effect by -10. Oh no, not change size, change ghost effect. And then let's just make sure it works. Goes like this and start. Good, now we just have to make it so it changes backdrops. And boop. Yeah, there we go. My only problem is it doesn't seem to be doing that. Huh. Okay. Well, that's fine. Let's just test this out really quick. Let me just test it out if it shows or not. Yeah, that's what we want. I don't know why it's not doing that. Oh, because that's... Oh, show first. There we go. That's why. Anyways, let's start it and boom. Let's do that. That looks good. I think that looks good. Nice job. And then we just have to add movements. So let's do that. And then forever if key W is pressed. Now let's make it arrow keys. Up arrow key is pressed. Change Y by 10. Duplicate that for down key. Let's just make this its own little start game thing. -10. If left arrow is pressed, and then same for right arrow, will be change X. Okay, now let's check that out. Can't move right now, but now it can. Dang, that's pretty smooth actually. I like that. Okay. Now let's just make sure that this is still working. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yep, there it is. That looks good. And we can move it around. It looks good, but we are going to add one thing. Let's make a variable called last position. For this sprite only, because we are not going to use another one. So set forever set last position to... Let's make one called last position X. There we go. Set last position X to X position. And set last position Y. Oh, remember it's for this sprite only. Forgot about that. To Y position, obviously. And there we go. Now what we're going to do is if touching a color, but the one problem is we don't have a color to use. So what we're going to do is we're going to make borders. So yeah, let's just make some borders. Yeah, okay, let's do that really quick. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to make this a huge map thing. And then when we slide around, it changes the X position to slide and the Y position to slide. So then we can do that really cool stuff. So let's make the color for that, which will just be a bright 80. Let's make an... Oh, dang, my stomach's starting to hurt now. Go like this. And then we're just going to have some stuff here. Good. There we go. And then we're going to have a little bit right here where it's like, this will be like the enter point, I guess I should say. And it's just going to be like a little bit where you can just like walk through and it opens. That's something I want. So color number 1. Oh, frick. How about we just do this? Let's make it huge, though. And then what we'll have is boom, pointed, boom, pointed. And then we'll put this into here, pointed. This one into here, pointed. Good job. Now what we will... I don't know why I'm saying good job, because, like, no one say good job to. But we'll just erase that and then replace it with another color, which will be like a blue. Oh, frick. No, Control Z. A blue. Good job. There we go. And then what we'll have is we'll just make it humongous. This will be the first bit, and then what we'll do is duplicate it. And then we will... Yeah, okay. There we go. Then, now that we have this, if it's touching color forever, if it's... Oh. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Miss G. Hi. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry I didn't see your chat. Oh my god. I have to pop it out. I have to pop it out now. No! Oh! I'm so sorry. Oh, I feel so bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Okay, I didn't mean to make you upset. I feel so sad for you. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm just doing all this on Scratch. This game jam was the poll that I did. So this game jam is just like a solo free one for fun. Anyways, I'm sorry. Just make it so that we can do this. Anyways, I think it's supposed to be 80. There we go. Forever. Okay. Forever. If touching that, then go to last position X and Y. That works. Yeah. But make sure that we have it so it's not, if it's not touching these, because we don't want to accidentally set last X and Y into it. So that would suck. So if not touching the color. Then go to X. There we go. Okay, let's just test it really quick. Save, start. Oh, yeah, we also have to make sure that this hides. Okay, start. And it moves around pretty good. Now let's just make this show really quick. We'll adjust that later, but it seems like I got the colors wrong. That seems to be the problem. This is 80, 100, 100, and it should not be touching 80, 100, 100. What? Just Scratch, bro. It's just on Scratch. Anyways, I think I have a solution to that. We'll make this huge block of it with the fill of the color. And then we'll go here. No, this is just me doing a game jam for fun. Yeah, there we go. The only problem is that it's not sliding. You want to join it? Just my own little game jam? You want to join that? Sure, why not? Join my little game jam. That would be fun. Okay, let's do that. Oh, wait, frick. Because I looked up a Game Jam theme generator, and then I'm using that Game Jam theme generator. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, anyways, I have a plan for this glitch that I have. We're going to make a variable myBlocks. Make that. Let's call it reposition. And then make sure it's run without screen refresh. I used to be so confused by this, but here it is. Run without screen refresh. Okay, bye. Anyways, run without screen refresh means that there's no animation. It just immediately does it. But with screen refresh, it will slowly do it. So let's make sure there's no screen refresh. So then it will just immediately get out. So immediately set it to the position. Okay. Forever reposition if touching color. Duplicate this, put that in. Grab another if block. And then if it is touching the color, go to last position. But what we're going to do is we're going to make something that will like slowly bring it up. So instead of this, it's going to repeat until. So if it's how about we just get rid of these last two variables, delete these variables. Then if it's touching the color, repeat until not touching color. And then it will change the X position by -5. Now I do have a plan for this. See how it just there's a problem with the Y variable. So we can fix that now, and let's do that. It's kind of sad because I'm not the best at coding. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to make so that part of it is pink and part of it is like a darker pink. But we're gonna make it really unnoticeable. No, we're not gonna make it really unnoticeable. Let's just make it like that. There we go. It's only for the Y position though. Good. Good. And good. There we are. So now for the Y position, if it's touching a different color, repeat until it's not touching that one. Good. Change Y. Y5, sure. Oh no. Oh no. I have to. Oh my god. Okay. I'm not happy with my choices, but okay. We're gonna have to make each Y and X a different thing. That's nice. But as long as it works, right? So let's do it. So this Y, we're gonna make a darker color. $73, sure. No, never mind. Okay, and then this one, we're also gonna make a different color. Now there we go. So now if it's touching this one, it'll change it by 5. And yeah, that's it for gonna be this stream, guys. I hope you like it. I'll edit more of this, and yeah, see you guys.